5 years after Superstorm Sandy damaged several parts of Brooklyn, one neighborhood, they're finally getting some much-needed repairs. New York City Housing Authority broke ground yesterday on a FEMA-funded project in Red Hook. The first stage will be replacing all 28 roofs at the Red Hook houses. $550 million project will also include other improvements, flood-proofing basements, some new boilers as well. It's going to help about 6,000 residents. They are still dealing with floods, leaks, and even mold.
And knowing I'm here, I can't really do anything.
So when it rains, it'd be water coming in and stuff like that. A little floods here and there.
Project also expected to create some new jobs for New York City Housing Authority residents.